Let's have a look at a typical editor and how you might use it to explore and develop HTML. For this video, we'll use the Atom editor, which runs on a Mac. There's hundreds of other editors, and on a PC as well, there's many other editors. So this is a typical arrangement. We have an editor on one side and we have a browser on the other side, so we can see the result of what we're creating. So in our editor, we might make some change. Let's change a word such as this and then save it. We have to save it and then over to browser and do a reload. And then, yes, we can see the change. All right. So that's how you might do it. Typical pattern: save from editor, load in browser. Now, some editors can do a more helpful job than that. So let's turn that on in the Atom editor. We're going to turn on a preview function. So let's turn that on. And then within the editor, it shows the result of the HTML you are developing. So let's do perhaps copy and paste something, and then we will see the result immediately. We don't have to wait. We do not even have to save it ourselves. It's automatically done by the editor with this preview feature. Very useful and can save a lot of time. Now, for this particular video, that preview window is a little bit small, so we're going to turn it off and go back to the traditional style of having a separate browser window. Here we are. So let's talk about these colors for a little bit. So these colors are automatically added by the editor. They are not saved in the source HTML file, and they are just showing you where the HTML elements are. Now this is useful. Let's say we make a mistake or we accidentally do something like this. Well, you can see the next tag has been shown in a different color. It highlights that there's some kind of problem. So now your eye is drawn to that area, and now we could fix the problem, and it goes back to the correct pattern of display. So that's one useful reason for having colors. Now let's look at another feature which some editors have: autocomplete. Let's say you want to have a button in your web page. You type B, U, and then every element which starts with BU is shown by the editor. In this case, it shows button and also some other things as well. So let's choose it from the list. We choose button. And if you like, we could do closing the tag. And as soon as you close the tag, this particular editor will also add the slash button to help you. Then all you have to do is add a couple of words in the middle and save the result and go over to the browser to see what it looks like, and then you can see the extended web page with the button at the bottom, and you could click on it just to check it works. Fantastic. So this is just a quick video which gives us some quick ideas of why an advanced HTML editor or a general code editor is useful.